good morning, good morning. Welcome back, everyone. We are doing a new altcoin video today. One that I'm pretty sure we've done, and I just don't have the chart, so I'm going to redo the chart this time. It is Shiba Inu. It's a meme coin. SHIB is the ticker symbol. Here it is on the weekly. You can see up, down, sideways, up, higher, low, up, equal lowish. So this is very interesting. It looks like a bull flag consolidation right above a rounding bottom in a cup and handle situation where it looks like it's about to break up. I don't know if you guys can see it. Here are the fibs, but if you remove the fibs and you see it like this, you see this is the cup, here's the handle, here's the consolidational bull flag, and you're looking for that break up into the next target. I don't know if you can see that, but that's how I see it. So removing that now, you guys can see I've already turned on the fibs. I think these fibs are going to be a little useless. Let me see. Yeah, useless. Okay, we're going to go with these fibs, okay? And this is on the weekly, so keep that in mind. And before we get started in doodle time, guys, if you haven't already, please hit the sub button so you get subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell button so you get the updates as they come out. Leave a like, hit the thumbs up. In the comment section below, let me know how I'm doing. If there's another asset you would like, let me know and I'll get that in the next video. Aside from that, if you want to trade with me live, feel free to join the Discord server. Link to the servers in the description of this video below, alongside all the other affiliate services that I use and recommend that helps our channel grow. So thank you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now let's get back into it. Now here it is, SHIB on a weekly, and what we're looking for is where we can look to pick this up. You can see it is clear this was an accumulation, okay? This little accumulation broke to the upside. All right, like that. You saw this break to the upside, and then what happened was we did two bull flag, a bull flag here and a bull flag here. And in this bull flag, it looks like it's a head and shoulder, right? But it's not a head and shoulder because this would be the head, this would be the shoulder, and you don't have a left shoulder. So this doesn't seem like it's a logical fractal, but you do see the two bull flags, okay? Now, removing the bull flags, you can see that this was where the last support was right here. This was resistance, okay? And then it flipped into support. And right now, it's support. You see, it was support here, okay? You didn't break down, and then it flipped into resistance, resistance, okay, EMA resistance, EMA resistance, resistance, and then we finally broke out of the EMA right here, and then we broke the fib resistance over here, and then you had the expansion, right? Well, this is coming back down and used this level 11,153 as support twice, and it was 3 times resistance. So what the point I'm trying to make at is 11,153 is a major level. As long as this level holds, I'm looking for upside, okay? And right now you're under all the EMAs on a weekly, so this is discount time. And the last rejection you had was right over here at 15,409, which is also the purple EMA. So this is basically setting up an accumulation schematic. It is grinding the lows and eventually we'll be looking for upside continuation. I would like for it not to lose 11,153, but if it does, going to 7612 is also okay because that is the bottom of the bullish order block, and it is, if it can hold 11,150, it's actually a higher low, meaning this thing will look to take out the high, okay, in a W formation. If you guys can see the W like this, okay? So that's why I'm saying like this little double rounding bottom here is a good thing, and it's even better that it's above the last high, okay? So this is good for uptrend continuation. Now, going on to the lower, and one more thing I'm going to point out on the weekly, as you're going down, your volume is starting to be lackluster. So you are starting to build up a bullish divergence on a weekly. On the monthly, you know that this is 13 more hours left for the close, and your monthly is literally finding sideways support on 11,153. Next month, the next candle that opens, I'm looking for this to be a base and us to go retest into around 1600. That's about almost a 50%, a little bit less than 50% move to the upside. Even on the weekly, if this is the bottom, I'm looking for us to go test into 16.7, and that's about a 32% increase on spot. So this is all on the predication that we don't lose those lows. And let's do this. This is how I would set up my first attempt. And yeah, I would just go just like that. And this is a 1 to 8, odds. This is a pretty decent potential return, but it's going to take weeks, almost a month or two for it to play out. So if you're going to take this trade, be patient and be ready for this reversal. And it does look like pretty decent for me, in my opinion. Going on to lower time frames on daily, you can see the bullish divergence also setting up. As you're going to the low, you have less selling. This does look like a pivot is about to come over here at 11:53. So now Shiba Inu, Doge, um, Algorand, all those little altcoins, all of them that were reversing are all actually doing what they were supposed to. Here it is on a 4 hour. Look at the volume, bullish divergence. Maybe into New York Open, you might get that little push up in a short squeeze fashion. So, I mean, today I would look for around 12,800. And then if we're lucky, we'll get into 13.6 and start the short squeeze sequence to take out the liquidity all the way to 1,700. So 1,700 is a very, very reasonable and logical area for this to go to. Oh wow, we just got a little bit of a pop up. I am currently long on Ethereum from 1780 area, and I was just managing it right now because it just popped up. So yeah, everything looks good for rounding bottom accumulation. Yesterday there was a major liquidation that happened on ETH, which is MakerDAO. Around like 300 million got liquidated. One at 1793 and one at like 1786 or something like that. So the liquidity on that is gone. If we're gonna go lower, I mean that's fine, but this does look like a lot of wicks trying to do a rounding bottom above this wick here, probably to test breakdown into this 1925, and then if it wants to roll over, it can roll over. So just be aware right now, today is a very, very interesting setup. We are underneath the last wick. We have created one more wick, and now we're doing a higher low with a rounding bottom with lots of wicks on the bottom, showing that somebody is trying to buy and accumulate over here, possibly for some upside continuation. So be aware of that moving forward, guys. I do not want anyone getting trapped or tricked in the market today. I myself am long. Hold on, let me take a little bit of profit right here. I myself am long, and yeah, I want upside to come, but I am very, very cautious because of the, oh my goodness, because of the market doing its thing. I am a fool. Accidentally shorted instead of taking profit. Okay. So basically, that's all I have for you guys today. We are watching all the levels of support. Here's Biddy at 80, 1780 for ETH, $2 for XRP. Where's XRP? XRP $2. Everything is sitting on the edge of support. So let's see how it plays out today. After today's day is over, we'll be able to have a much better idea as to what we are expecting moving forward. So if you guys have any questions or concerns, make sure you leave it in the comment section below, and I will get back to you in the next video. Aside from that, if you are looking for a specific asset, let me know. If you're interested in trading with me live, feel free to join me on the Discord server. Link to the servers in the description of this video below, alongside all the other affiliate services that we use and recommend that helps this channel grow. Thank you guys so much for your time and support. I will see you guys in the next one. Have a great day.